I talk about. I want silent my range. Range, you not gonna look good range. Range, I like you can go walk and sell condom. Go sell pampers, go sell wipes. Or if you want like a Wrangler. Or if you want silent body out range. Range, how you do range? Range, how you bumper clock do range? Better change your name to Lada now, you know. Better change your name to 110. Pussy, or Eddie Wagon. Because I don't know where I come try to do over here so range. Come like, can I hear say a gunman around the place? I have the range. You see me, I take them and look a batty boy. And you hear me, I tell him what I go on. I want to come rock off gunman. And what I do? Know what I do in the range. Because I lost no respect. No boy, no. No boy, I lost no respect, you know. How do you? No boy. No boy. That 28 I put boy on the gun. No batty boy around town. None. I say me make checkpoint, jump over here. Bumble wall. Me make over here run under curfew. Me make over here run under curfew. No what I do, you know. Boy, Frost. Try know what I do to you know, Frost. Frost, go and wash out the dirty clothes them. You see time where there, so go and wash out the clothes them. You understand? Because I see where I deal with, you know. You try to the people, you know. You know, long if you buy gas, you buy gas and I try to use gas make content. Gas can make content, shit house. Eh? No long time if you cook on stove. No long time if you cook on blood clot stove. If mama ain't come and show people them the stove did it. And everything did it. How you feel like so range can help you? You feel like so range go make a talk tonight, shit mouth. You have a heap of dirty with them batty boy. Go use a blender. Go buy one blender. You come like a little dirty stray dog, them run around in the community and take up people's slippers. Eh? You come like a dog, them where all people pampers out of garbage pan first. Oh yeah, move so. May I give 5 minutes for think first. May I give 5 minutes for looking at yourself. How are you? You want to move like Nuno Brown? You want to move like Nuno Brown? Eh? Or you want to move like Ricardo? Which one of them? You not follow them footsteps. You not follow Ricardo's footstep and Nuno Brown's footstep. And see what they feel after. And try enough to feel after that. Eh? Bumper wall. You don't know how green cards stay. You don't know how green cards. Keep on green card, gone left you. So nobody feel like you can go for a man and do one 2 little minutes. And broke and feel like, so, yeah, you put cocky on mama. Mama will find a bad man, here. Man, mama find a bad man. Go spend time in a pum pum. Like a press the run button there, so. Go spend time on the pum pum. Me have my last tonight, batty boy. Don't size up. Don't size up. Do not size up. Do not size up. And a stone me
I don't know, can't give you a talk.
Hey, my team, a silent game.